everybody, welcome back to my scrappy space. We are going to continue on with Mini Kit Monday, and this will be my second layout. The first one I did was 8.5 by 11, and so I'm going to do the back side. It was a little difficult to get both photos on there for me, but I thought, well, we'll just go ahead and finish it on up. This is the challenge from the Mini Kit ladies. The Mini Kit Monday ladies, and I think I haven't decided which one I'm gonna do yet. I have pulled some things, and then I found some more things. I had struggled with the cork last time, and I was going through my washi tape, and I don't have a whole lot. I just have this little container, but on the top I've had this little area that I've just thrown things in, and look at this wonderfulness in here. There's cork and little hearts, which would have been perfect on the last layout. I have bows in here. Look at it, it's jumping out already. Here's some acrylic. So frustrating, but how do you know where all of your stuff is? So this is the photo that I'm going to be scrapbooking, and I did go ahead and do some preparing as far as what I'm going to be using. When I was looking for washi tape, that's how I found the drawer full of wonderfulness. So I did go ahead and pull some cork out, and I don't know if I'm going to use that particular tic-tac-toe or, oh, look at this, cork, arrow, and acetate. Well, there we go. I think I'm going to do that one then. We'll see. Here are some of the embellishments that I did pull for it. This is all chipboard, and you know how I feel with chipboard, but this is, I'm stretching myself and I'm going to use it. I think this will be cute and adorable with it. Here are some of the papers that I pulled to go with my photo. And this is a scraps. I had just some random scraps, and actually this is the piece that I love, but when I flipped it over, it's got gold, and I'm not a big giant fan of gold. I know a lot of people are, but I am not. But I wanted to try to utilize this. So here are some of the pieces just from that piece. And then I did need a piece of 8.5 by 11. Now this right here, I don't think you can see it. This is the wood grain that you can get from Hobby Lobby, and it has black in it, but you really can't see the wood grain very much in it. So I thought, well, I'll just use that as my background. So that's what I'm going to use as my background. And this is kind of the envision. I was either going to do this piece or this piece, and so that's kind of the papers that I had planned out with that. But we do need some more embellishments, so let's dig through our little container here. I don't think I'm going to pull in that one. I think we're going to pull in this one and maybe some of these. So how is everybody doing? Are you playing along? Apple cider, farm fresh, he writes. Have you been getting ready for the winter season? I know that I have been preparing for December Daily. I love December Daily. I honestly do. I don't know that anything in here is really inspiring me. Huh. So, oh, maybe Falling for You, that might be cute. Falling Leaves, that kind of goes with my little theme. Give thanks. But anyways, I have been preparing for December Daily. I love December Daily. I kind of fail at finishing it, but that's okay. I love it. I love taking the photos, and I have some great memories. Oh, that would have been cute on the other one with my husband. Pumpkin Kisses and Autumn Wishes. Ha. But I love December Daily, and I prepare for it every year. And I have been doing different things, but I'll explain later when I show my cart setup. I have a cart that I use for quilting, And then it becomes my December daily cart. So, you know, making it all happen there. What do I do with that container? We are definitely in the latter throes of fall. We have had snow in my area. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I love snow. I love it. I love it. I do. I am one of those people. And I just do. It's so pretty. And I like the cold, but I also have the things that make me warm in the cold. I'm so grateful for you. I'm really curious if you guys are going to do December daily or anything like that. I actually am going to be, goodbye summer, hello autumn, doing some fun things with some scrappy friends here on YouTube and with our Crafty Low No Spend group. So I am excited about that. Oh, look at that cute little fox. Might have to throw that in there. A little foxy foxy. So I think I'm going to stick with just that. Oh wait, we have this other little container here. Let's not get too excited here, Donna, that you're done. Today I'm meeting up with some friends. Oh, actually my daughter-in-law and her family. Some of the girls. We're going to go to the quilt store here is having their big annual sale. Perfection. Ooh, that might go. Hey guys, I might be able to use that finally. I can probably use that in there. So I'm excited. Those girls are crazy little things and I just love them to death. And they're so gracious, let me tag along. Oh, that would be pretty, you guys. Ooh, this is fun. This is fun. Maybe. So last night I sat down and I was going through my December daily stuff. And earlier in the year I had done it was more of a challenge. I just focused on one thing a month. So like I just focused on my paper. Actually, that was a 2-monther. And I sorted and categorized, and then the next month it was stickers, and then the next month I can't even remember which, but I just had focused on all these various things. Oh, you guys, that is so pretty. So I had taken my Christmas stuff. I think I'm just going to keep that. So I had taken my Christmas stuff and I had sorted through that. And so when I opened up my container, because I thought I was going to be very, very overwhelmed with it, I was pleasantly surprised and super excited because I wasn't overwhelmed. I had went through it and categorized it, and I have these beautiful little boxes, which you will be seeing, and I was just, oh, it was just a blessing, let me tell you. And I can't wait to get started on that. But I am super excited about this as well. And I believe I'm going to go, oh, you guys, I had pulled that acetate from that new product that I had got. Right here. Oh, I think we should probably do something with this too. Sorry, that was very, very unexpected. Very unexpected. Oh, you guys, these are so, so pretty. But, oh, so we'll take a piece or two from this, definitely. Look at these. I don't know if you guys can see these, but look at. Yeah. So, oh, that's going to go great. So, there we go. Now I have some acetate. So that's going to be my tic-tac-toe, which is on the other side here. And I'll get this cleaned up and I'm going to get started on this. I'm super excited. We'll see you back here in a minute. Okay guys, we're back with this layout and I'm really sorry we have had some technical difficulties. Yes, part of it is me, but we have a major storm here and it's causing our lights to flicker in and out. And when it does, when the lights just blink, it shuts off some of my lighting, and so it's really dark and it's lopsided, so I've had to do this a couple of times. Anyways, it's all good. But I wanted to come back and explain that the reason that I'm not using this chipboard and this scene or these pieces is because she is going this way. And my photo, when I find it here, shows me looking this way. And I had envisioned her riding her bike and the leaves going this way. So I know it's not that I'm looking very much, but it's enough to bother me. So I will be using this in another layout because I do love this little collection of pieces. I will be going, like I said, we've had our power in and out, and so I'm going to be using my photo here. I'm going to be doing some layering, and I'm going to fussy cut these leaves out of here. And it's going to be kind of a quick and easy layout, I believe. But when I say easy, I don't know. It might be a little difficult. And I'm going to use some of, nope, I don't think I'm going to use those. I did have to grab a different washi tape because the one that I originally had is blue. Yeah. And this one is a beautiful wood grain, and it goes with this black wood grain. And I noticed that on the original video, or the first video, you could really see the wood grain, but in my naked eye or whatever, I couldn't see it very well. So anyways, that was kind of interesting and fun to see. And I did go ahead and place that already. And here are some of the other papers that I'm going to be using for layering. I did not fussy cut, but I did gut this piece so that I could get another border. And I think I'm going to try to use this because I don't know, it just seems to add some texture, and it kind of goes with my hat. Oh, you guys, I found some more cork pieces. I think I showed that in my original, and I was super excited about that. And here's an arrow, and I'm going to go with that one particular, I don't know where it's at right now. Oh, it's on my other cart. Tic-tac-toe, where it had acrylic cork and an arrow. So that is what I'm going to be doing and using. So we will be coming back, and we'll see what we've created. So this is what I've come up with. I did a lot of layering. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The textured stuff that looks like my hat, I kind of roughed up. I fussy cut around these leaves, and I'm gonna add the acetate. Now I'm gonna do a lot of this offline. As I shared before, we are having a major storm, but I thought I would just kind of give you guys, I did cut up this acetate a little bit, not necessarily this one, but I love this stuff, you guys. It just adds a pop, just adds a pop, and I just love this particular kind. I haven't really dealt with a whole lot of acetate, I don't believe. Oh my stars. This is put down. So it'll go something like that, something like that. And then I'm going to add my cork, my little heart. And then I'm going to add this brad right here. Now this right here, it's not coffee, it's the most wonderful ice cream you will ever have. And the funny thing is it's actually one of my clients, and they make homemade ice cream and they sell it, and it is delicious. Oh, I don't think I had that there. Oh, yeah, I did. And it was just wonderful. And then I'm going to add this butterfly. So I'm putting this word perfection. I'm not perfect. This ice cream, you guys, it is the best, the best. So I am going to stack up some more acetate here. I did fussy cut some of these, not fussy cut, excuse me. I altered them a little bit to make them smaller. I'm going to add this little piece of cork over here. And I'm going to add this little arrow because I need an arrow, and why not? And I might move this all up a little bit. My dog just came in. I thought he went with my husband. So sorry if you can hear him back here snorting and sniffing around. I don't know where you've been, mister. So this is what my layout is pretty much going to look like. You'll see the final pieces in the photos at the end. I just thought with everything that's going on as far as the weather and people coming in and out, it would be best to just try to do it this way. Thank you guys for watching. I encourage you guys to go check out the Mini Kit Monday ladies, Becky, Dolly, and Kathy. They have a wonderful Facebook group. There's a lot of activity. People are sharing their kits and their layouts. It's just a wonderful, fun group. I'll list everybody below and also the Facebook group. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.